on my nighttime routine. Hi guys, so I am about to go to bed and I just had my shower, so I hope you can actually see me. Can you see me? Okay, let's continue as I show you guys how I do my nighttime sleeping routine, basically. Yeah, when I am on a safari. I use this mouthwash from Colgate. It's the best. I love it. I always just put about a half cup of it. I'll not be having anything for the next 30 minutes so that the mouthwash can actually do its job. Yeah, that's better, but if you can't see me, I don't know what you can do about it. I don't know. I always use the Neutrogena Acne Oil Free. I lather it onto my hands and the water is warm. And scrub it for like a minute or two. I'm going to be taking the Neutrogena. I use Neutrogena and I even mark, I label it here, right here. But I use Neutrogena and it's too big, so I put them in small containers and then I put a label onto it. I'm going to be spraying Neutrogena on a cotton pad and just smear that around my face. That dries, I like to air dry my face like this with one of my lotions so that you can actually make the process more faster. So up next, I'm going to be using my vitamin C from Dr. Rachel. Make sure the tip doesn't touch with your skin because it's going to contaminate the whole thing when it goes back inside the bottom. So now I'm just massaging the vitamin C into the skin until it totally absorbs. So the oil has finally absorbed into my skin, and as you can see from there, you can see that I'm already glowing. moisturizer. So this is the moisturizer I use. So it's a cucumber moisturizing cream and it has AHA in it. Like only the first part of my index finger, and that's it. So once I'm done for my lips, I go in with the baby oil because I forgot my coconut oil. And guys, when you're going to sleep, you also want to smell good. Okay, you're fresh, yes, but you need to smell good. So I go in with my body mist, and just 2 splashes are just enough. 2 is enough. Literally, this is how I look, literally, like with no makeup. And honestly, I am so happy with my skin because I have been going to many dermatologists and I finally found one who is actually helping me. As you can see, I used to have dark spots here. They are disappearing, they are invisible. I'm still working on this area and this area, like 1, 2, 3. That area has a problem, but we're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it with that. Thank you guys so much for watching my video on my nighttime skincare routine on a safari. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Always remember to work hard, stay humble, and be disciplined. See you on my next one.